Alright, we got 10 more flats of seeds, and we are going to be planting those today. Thanks for joining us.
Not me.
Here's what we've got planted so far. We got 10 flats, and we're gonna have more. What I want you to do is I want you to poke a hole in each one of these cubes with that pen. Yep. Keep on going. You can make it a little bit deeper if you want, but I want you to get it so that they all got a hole in the cube. Every cube. Good job, Seth. Nice going. Okay, we got Abigail writing down our markers so we know what we're gonna do.
G-A-R
D-E-N.
D.
So, 1 bush bean and 1 bush bean tenderette. And then, lastly, we'll do the peas. One of the things that you need to know is that you always use whatever you have at hand. Until I got these last flats, I only had some 3x5 cards, and so I was using those to make my markers. Now, when I got the flats, they sent me 100 of these too, so we will be using these to make our markers for planting the new plants.
Need help?
Seth has 3 flats filled with dirt, and we're going to plant probably cabbage first.
I've done nothing.
And green beans.
Cabbage.
So, Seth, I've had him fill in these with dirt, and what we're doing here is we're leaving a couple of squares undone, and that way we can bottom water if we need to or want to. Let's plant the green beans first. Bring them here. This is top-notch golden wax beans. Okay. I believe that there is some more green beans in here. Yeah, so we will plant something with all green beans in it. Oh, and here's some peas. We might want to plant the peas.
What do I do? I don't know what I do.
What do we got here? Oh yeah, there's another green bean. So I got like 4 different packs of green beans.
4 flats. Redo it.
Make a lot of different changes.
I don't know how to spell it much.
Okay, don't worry about, hold on. We gotta get okay, usually you would take peas and beans and you would soak them so that they would get ready to sprout faster, but we didn't have that opportunity because we're driving 25 miles to where we got to go to plant. Okay, so don't know if you can see that. There it is. Burpee Stringless Green Pod.